Hey guys, got another trade recap for you. This one is on a long, and I guess the what you could say about it is, I closed the trade early and didn't let it hit my target because I don't think that it's going to hit my target, or it's possible that it's not going to. So rather than take a loss on the trade and let it hit the stop loss, if I see something I don't like in the market, I will get out. And this, not that the stock was moving with the market, tick by tick, but just in general, it was dipping sometimes when the market was dipping, but overall, it is a trend reversal, so it is on the way back up. So here's the reason why I got into the trade. I traded it a couple days earlier when we had this kind of double bottom here in another account, so the trades aren't on here. But anyway, this is where we had the change. If you look on this date here, this is May 7th. So if you go to a daily chart, meaning each candle is one day, and these are candles here, then on the 7th, right, that's where you get this change in the trend. We were going down, now we're going up. So I traded it over here, like I said, in another account, but I'm not going to go over that one. So that's why I got into the trade, because we have that trend reversal opportunity, right? And then you guys know I always go to the intraday, 10 days, 10-minute charts, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a better explanation. So here we go, traded it over here, and so it was on kind of my radar. And then I decided this morning to get into it because this is where the volume actually really picked up. If you notice all the uptrend, look at the candles here. This morning was different. So we had almost double from all the other mornings because people are starting to catch on now. They realize what's going on. So what I thought was, all right, this can be like another trade that I can set a 50-cent stop loss on and get $1, right? So I got in the morning time. I watched for that volume to confirm, come back over, and I got in at about 10:10, thinking maybe I'll get $1 right off for the rip, but I didn't. So after I got in, we went up to, I got in at 13.17. After I got in, stock went up to about 13.43. Obviously that's not my target. Then, like stocks usually do, throughout the middle of the day, dipped down. But I never got that 50-cent drop, so I wasn't worried about it. Didn't hit my stop loss, I'm fine. So I stayed in the trade. It held up, and again, we're still uptrending, so I'm fine. I stayed in. Then today, open up, it dips down, rips back up to 14.15, and you can see I had that order set to sell at 14.17. So it's 2 cents off, but I left it go. Even through all this, I could have sold a couple of times, but I wanted to hit the target, because that's how you get your statistics, and it's a target I set, so that's what I wanted to hit. Looking back, though, I had 98 cents out of 100, but whatever. So I stuck with it. We had this little drop, and then a pop, and then a drop, and then consolidation during lunchtime, like always, and then thought we were good, have another pop back up to 14. But then at the end of the day, the market started selling off. If you look, and I always keep this up here, so I got this on one of my main TVs, and then my other stocks on my 4 monitors, and then this laptop, and another one, and then one for Twitter. But I always have the ES up, so that's the S&P 500. You put /ES, and then QQQ. This is tech right here. Then I watch either Apple or Microsoft, and then also the VIX. You have to know how these trade together and what's going on in order to take positions in certain stocks that move with the market. And then you also want to see how those stocks that you're trading, even if they're not moving with the market, how they kind of move with the market to get an idea. So this is, let's see, 15-minute candles. So here's all of today. If you look at the S&P 500, this is, you can see the volume. So we'll highlight that. Now, look, we basically opened up red and went red the whole day. But here at 3:45, look at that huge red boom drop. So big kind of sell off into the end, and I didn't like that at 3:45. I didn't like the way that it was looking even before that. So I looked and I said, you know, like, I don't like the way things are looking, and I'm going to take the money right now. Not worried about hitting the target because I could have already hit it earlier. I didn't. I'm getting greedy, and I don't want to stay in another day because probably tomorrow we could gap down, and then, you know, rather than profit in a couple $1,000, I could be break even or maybe even below. So yeah, got out of this one early, but overall I still think it was a good trade, safe. You know, I was 2 cents off of hitting the target, but that's okay, it happens. But yeah, this is, you know, don't let a green trade go red. Take the money, build your account rather than sitting through it. And I don't need to sit through this another day. I'll find something else tomorrow in the morning to get on that's, you know, maybe in the beginning of the move, or something I could short, whatever, puts. But overall, still good volume. It's still in an uptrend. I'm sure probably it will keep on going, but I just don't feel that it's worth the risk with the way that the market closed. And I'm going to take the money. I'm not going to let it turn red. You know, it's something I learned, because that's even worse than, you know, than taking only half of your profits. You know, I'd rather have half than none. So, yep, that's NKLA. Piece of crap stock right now, just in a trend reversal. We'll see how high it can get. A lot of short interest on that one, so that's another reason why I got into the trade. You can see all the trades that I've been taking, a lot of short interest, so I know that they're going to move up if I'm going long. If I'm trying to get that price to go up, that's one of the reasons that's going to help them to go up. You have a lot of shorts in there that are betting on it to go down, so when it goes up, they have to cover their positions because they're losing money the higher it goes up. So any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.